Hello and welcome to today's video. Today I will be creating Espoo bus line 237, which runs from Leppävaara to Högnäs in Espoo. Without further delay, let's go on and create the line. So 237 it is. Traditional ticket prices, and let's go. As usual, we start from Leppävaara, then we go to Gransimäki, then we autosave, then we stop at Kilonkartano, at Leppäsilta, at Kuninkainen, at Karanristi, and Rajamänty. Then we go on to Viherlaaksontori, Humisevan risti, Kahiseva, Nuumäki, and Lähderannan risti. Lipparinne, Kolkekannas, Vilniemi, then we stop at Heiniemen polku, at Treskendan risti, at Ryytimaa, at Karamzinin koulu, at Kullomäki, at Emännäntie. But then after Emännäntie, things happen. Yes, indeed, things happen. Our following stop is called Kullonsilta. Let's see what that is in Swedish. Yeah, so Kullonsilta is one-way stop, but we will make it a two-way stop here. So Kullonsilta, Kullobron is going to be located in here. Oops. There we go. After Kullonsilta, our following stop is pretty far away. It's called Puotismäentie, and it's located Budbaksvägen, and it's located in here somewhere. So, how do we get from there to here? Well. We need to build a bridge. Like that. Then we shall build a first city road ramp, but let's first go with the double fast city road through here. There we go. Then let's go back to the city road and create the city road, which runs on a bridge above all of this. There we go. back to ground level, thank you. So, what happens here is that we'll take the first city road and we will take ramp from here. Oops, no way to here. And then we will take an exit ramp from here to here. There we go. So I think this first part of this loop-de-loop is ready. And now I will just have to... Oh no, that's wrong. That's all wrong. I've said it so many times, but it still applies. These ramp systems aren't very friendly to create. And there we go with the exit ramp. So this is the ring road number 3. A very important part of the road network in the capital region. Oops. And then let's fix this system. So we're obviously going to create the first city road is going to leave the road in there, and then it's gonna make a turn in here, and then we turn left that way. And the other way around, it's gonna start from here and then quite a long ramp. There we go. Let's move this signal a bit to there, and then add the signals to this ramp. So, oops, that bridge is fixed. Then let's fix the ramp. So, I think this is about done in here, and then let's just add the final signals to this ordinary stretch of road in here, and then we're down to the next stop. That was quite a challenge, actually, creating those 2 ramps over there. And now, what happens next is that we are at Puotismäen, and then we're gonna create a stop called Hanabek. Which is right in the other end of this little road. Oops. We're back to the city roads. There we go. And after Hanabek, we will stop at Soit.tie. That's Spelvägen. Which is first of the intersections in here. There we go. And after Soitatie, we're going to come to the terminus, which is called Högnäs. And that's going to be in there. And that's it. The road has pretty surely been created after I do the loop-de-loop in the end. There we go. And then let's go back to the line creator. After building the blueprints. And stop there, and then let's see how this thing is going to function. It does seem to function, all right. So let's finalize the line. Cannot find a way, so something is wrong here now. Oh yes, the thing that is wrong here is this intersection, which comes from the wrong lane. Let's instead take it from there and then let's build it. And now when I add the following stop to the line, which is immanente, I think it should work properly. It does work properly. Wonderful. So one small mistake in building this monster of a ramp. Well, that's not bad. And that's it. We're home. 52 stops and 27 kilometers. Not a very long line, but, well, an interesting one. Then let's have a look at the timetable, which says that the line runs about 45 minutes is the shortest interval between the two operations, so let's accept that as the standard for line 237, meaning that we'll purchase 2 buses on the line. There we go. So, roads have been built, line has been created, buses have been bought, everything is up and running, and as usual there will be a new video tomorrow. So until then, bye!